Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Romonica Plachette. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can build a website super quickly with Site 123. I know you probably have never heard of it, but I've been using Site 123 for quite a few years and I've built several websites for myself as well as my clients. So before I jump in, the first thing that most people want to know is how much does it cost, right? So I find that their pricing is super easy and I'm going to actually give you a hack. So you can get a website up for $12 per month. Now, I will tell you with Site 123, you do have to pay for the full year in advance. However, they do have a 14-day money back guarantee. So should you build out a website and things don't go as planned, you can simply get a refund. So really, like, it's hassle-free to use this, but like I said, I've been using Site 123 for several years. I'm actually an affiliate with them, so I just want to let you know that. But also, I built these sites out for my clients and they vary from restaurant to e-commerce, various industries, so it can be used for anybody. So they actually have 4 different pricing tiers that are available. One here for small business, which is $19.80 per month. This professional one is $28.80, and then there's a $34.50. Now, I want to let you in on a secret. It seems like when I got ready to upgrade the last couple of sites for my clients, a 40% off coupon popped up. You heard me. A 40% off coupon popped up, which I think that is super cool. So just be on the lookout for that. All right, so let's go ahead and get in because my goal is to show you how quick you can build a website. This is what you are actually going to see when you log into Site 123 to start building a website. So they already have tons of pre-made templates. This is where you can actually start the clock, okay? So I'm gonna try to get this built in less than 10 minutes, guys. So if you have a business, online store, blog, handyman, technology, events, photography, restaurants, transportation, music, creative services, recreational sports, health and wellness, community, you name it, these templates are already in. So I'm just gonna click on business and let's put in YouTube test site. All right, and I am going to click. I'm telling you guys, this is super easy. Now, I have used other website builders before. I've tried Wix. I'm sorry, I cannot get with the Wix thing. I'm just saying I can't. I have used Squarespace. It's been a couple of years ago, but I find that this is super simple and it gives you quite a bit of flexibility. Now, it doesn't have all of the flexibility that you're gonna see on WordPress and some of the other sites, but listen, the goal is to get a website up, to start attracting clients over, and have something that you actually own. And so this is what I love about Site 123. It's super easy. So just like that, the website has actually been built. So there are 4 things that are actually up right now. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is this. We're calling this the YouTube test website. And what you want to do first is just go here to the home page. What I would recommend is come down to templates. Now, I find that once you select a template, that's it. You need to know that this is the template that you actually want. There's several that are listed. They look really good. You just pick one that really works for you and your business. Again, I've been using Site 123 for a long time and I really like it. Mainly because it's super easy to use. When I create a site and pass it off to my clients, I can send them a little video and they are all able to go in and do their own updates. Like, I know you have had a site built by someone before and every time you wanted to make a change, you had to contact that person to get the change done for you. This is not that. You are going to be able to make your own changes. So I'm going to select one here in just a second. Again, are you guys checking out all of these templates that they actually have here? All right, so for whatever reason, this is grabbing my attention. I'm just gonna select this one. You are able to bring in your own photos, so you could shop right now. Boom, this is actually done. Now let's keep going. Right here in this particular section, this is considered one of the pages and there's several different pages. Now, like I said, it's super easy to edit and update. So what you'll wanna do is come over here to pages, and every page that's outlined here, there is a space for you to actually edit the page. So I'm just gonna click edit because right now we're on our about page. And by the way, if you wanted to change the name, you could put about me. We're gonna click edit. Okay, this is where you would change out your text, and if you wanted to change out your image, you could do that. And what's super cool is you could also add video. So boom, we're done with that. Now, if you also wanted to change elements of the layout, you would click what I call like the little art brush palette. So click that, and you can move these pages around just a little bit. Again, there is some levels of customization inside of this. It's kind of basic, but hey, it works. You have a website. All right, so we're just gonna click that one for right now, and boom, your about page is basically set. Now, let's get to services. And again, remember, in this box, you can change the title here. You would click edit to change out the services. Again, this is so easy, guys. Click the three little buttons here, go into the edit. You can change this title out to coaching if you would like, and you would click here to change out your image, click save and done, and you can actually preview it. And guess what? It's done. Now, if you remember, let me go back. We can always click the little art palette, and it gives us some other options. So we're able to switch things around. So if you don't like the circles, you can go with this where it's primarily smaller circles and more text. You can use this where it's larger photos and scroll through, or you can go with a little system that gives you the various columns and a circle. Again, the possibilities are endless, especially being that this is so easy to use. Finally, we're going to come down to our contact page. Same thing. You can put call us here. And again, if you click the edit button, remember, it allows you to add in the various information for that particular section. If you click the art wheel, it gives you some different options regarding the layout. Okay, so I like this one. This is pretty simple. In fact, I want to get rid of the map. So boom, we've gotten rid of the map. I'm going to click off of that, and guess what? It's done. Now I want to share one thing with you in this quick overview, because I know some of you guys are saying, can I do SEO? I'm not an SEO person, so I'm not going to be going into that, but yes, you can totally update your keywords. All of the SEO, all of that's available for you here as well. And so guess what? At this point, we can hit publish, and we can take a look at a site. It's done. It's done. It's done just that quick. Okay, so let's say publish. I'm going to click here so you can see what the full site looks like. Boom, here we go. YouTube test, the about page, here are the services, contact us, and boom, you now have a website. Did you hear me? You have a website. It's just that simple. Now, if you'd like, I can come back and do some more content, breaking things down a little bit more on how you can customize it, add color pages, whatever you like. Just click the subscribe button, comment below on what you would like for me to cover as I do additional videos around site 1, 2, 3. But for today, we are done. You got a website. You got a website. Make sure that you go ahead, click my link, upgrade, and you're off to the races. You're done. You get hosting, free domain name, and everything. Once you upgrade your site, it's good for a year. And so I believe that once the 40% off coupon clicks in, you're able to get, which is what I have this professional package. I think it wound up being about $230 for the whole entire year, but you do pay upfront in advance, and that's it. You got e-com. You can get up to 500 orders per month, all of the credit card, Stripe, PayPal integrations, all of that stuff's there. You can remove the site 1, 2, 3. I mean, guys, I love this. Sometimes people don't use things because they've never heard of it, but just because you've never heard of it doesn't mean that it's not valid. So again, I've used Squarespace. I've been inside of the Wix platform before, and this happens to be my go-to website. And again, it's really easy to use. I actually have a course, and I've taken people through this journey several times over and over again. And guess what? It works. It's simple. It's easy. And this especially works for people who say that they hate tech, because this is a pretty low-tech website. So that's it. I'm Romonica Plachette. I'm the Bold Chick. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you all later.